Ndeba ekene m no ozi a bụ maka ụmụ ikolobịa n'ọsọ ụmụ ikolobịa maka ọsọ ndị mago young mothers and fathers. Biko o wee ihe eji maka ya wee bịa. Ya bụ an update ada anyị nwanyị bụ Antoge nọ na-ewetala anyị ka anyị gee ya ntị n'onu, because this is a very good advice. Nke abụrụ na na-agbasa ga is a very good advice ọ nọ na-enye ndị youth now. Biko nke anyị gee ya ntị n'onu maka na ọ ga-aka mma n'ọnụ ya. N'ọta echefukwana ka subscribe or comment ma like ya ka anyị gee ya ntị.
So for those of you that little dialogue na di because of one thing or another, you will not listen to your husband. One thing or another, you think you are still young. Now let me tell you the bitter truth. This year will another year adiala. And also I'm talking to you. Nilo digi, na digi, gana umune digi, gana ndeni digi. And you think that because you are young, before you budge into marriage, you run out. Let me tell all of you, Ugumani udi loyal, believe it or not. And now batakwaya na show na put on Facebook and imeche lumala. Okakwa make no lo digi ke na abada tonu. Okakwa make no lo digi ke washa wo digi. Ehuna okwo wo land outside. Okay na ya, mbena na ya, ke crayfish na ya, bagya na ya. You still remain a public useless ashawo. I just have to be honest with you. December rola young women also be gala. If you're not under your matrimonial home, one who no Igbo person gotta as anything. My December rulo, time is clocking. Your mother is waiting, especially all this the only child. Very soon you better go and settle down. You are above 20, 25, 26, 27, clocking 30, and you're still thinking you're young and you are the only child of your parents. Close. So you go and make your mother proud. Bleaching at tapa. One day ya him it ya wogenashin no deju's on no sorry no. And when I open tomorrow, Gracie found her. Gracie found her. Pa J Pack a shower wife. Gracie found her upon everything. The same J Pack Buragisha shower. Let me tell you, he's 1 out of 1 million. You better start now. December Rupala. For those of you that are still single, and I'm not blue, you here too small, and they lapse again. Age. They fold those things when time comes. Also, like it's so short to nika in our bakashiki people say you fine, you do this. One day it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's ending very soon. Because on your lalu the just a chaff. All about him on also like gas on the possible gas on a shower kobo rubber. And then they take bleaching a bleaching a carriala. Now listen to me. On December ruler, right? And your mothers are expecting your husband to come, right? And a lot of you guys on social media that Facebook has given the authority and the privilege to come on social media and do what? To come and do what? To run a program and get a man that will marry you. Now listen, let me educate you. Let me tell you. You see, when you look at me finish, you say more fuma. Okay, taking a kamamu bofu, right? Good. I'm not going to I'm going. And when you are young at this age, if you got so short thing, lapse gane Asian, gane matract, gane you get your whole town. Okay, now let me tell you. As far as you're from Igbo land, whether you like it or not, unless you will cut off your destiny and start all over again. As far as you're from Igbo, Ugumani would deal loyal. If you're not married, and every year you come on social media, you wear short skirts, you wear short pants, you use different app to deceive a lot of men. Because they man work for nanya or get deceived, and the people will be looking at you. You are still young, and you're deceiving yourself while you have already destroyed anything that makes you a woman. womb inwelo ito atemantuli. As the time goes by, and the age is coming against you, that's when you got another dear. All of you woman shower that look up to people's husband to collect, and you think Bidoku bulaka chuo woji. Now December is clocking. Who is coming to ask your mother whether I don't care whether you like you wear short pants, you use your apple, especially all of you that rub bleaching cream. You use apple, you keep deceiving. When the age keep clocking against you, that's when you will realize that again, age is backed by number, age is not by number. And all of you that are of age that decided not to marry when age and I am college, very soon by university. You start calling us auntie and the ma. We are not older than you, just that you misplace your right and the time, misplace priority or where. And the tomorrow night you say, oh, Grace found her. Grace found her. After all said and done, Grace found her. Hope Grace will not locate you inside your womb. I am only using this opportunity to urge you. Because time is running out. Tomorrow don't tell us so. A woman can do without a man. A woman can do without a man because you have already finished yourself. And for those of you that once married and are true because of our buju, dinner. One day, this year, abroad ma all this STD. One day that put on social media head well up so like this. All these asha words, don't worry. J dash maya dash STD. Emokuru mo para apa asha kobo hotel nine no were amazuchana humo. Call you if I give me pass humo. Iga hucha form na towel okchano. Nda be abroad December rula. Open no ke leganyo. I'm their boyfriend in their village in Nigeria. Dash man with this STDs. You will not para from America, from Japan, from London, from Italy. Give it to them. They are ready to collect. Go to their pages. Eju. All this mbodo were all of them. Eju. Jedashi yang pake panuru. Majority of them are lola di buff and we will move. He gave me paraka he pagada shim one day yoma webe benarama medication okay. All the best thing he gave me because majority of them are rebake panuru. I have to be honest with you. Geru anambra gadashim. Geru stekanu gadash. Everybody because they are not interested of those men. Hana hakwa tagahu. Forget them. Mopake care about them. Iru hana unandeke je to their page eju mande jaba chodoba mwele ofoda report to la nwa but to manage enwo ofodu me oshishi ara ano if chopoleke huna ne boleke huru to la just manage enwo para no yo le papega mo because they are easy, they are broke. Even before you open mouth they want to buy their long wig, they want and another ones, all these married women everywhere. Do not spare them. Do not spare them. And then when advice was on hotel, make sure you video them. You video them because our men in now too much in the hands of their these married women. Video unto them until G camera this December. Put it into consideration. I'm telling you, J Park told me she give Pamana bathroom, give with a camera. J Park told me she shower a carechana. J Park told me she want before wedding. In J Park go. I got the advice from J Park. Wear belly face. This year, J Park infection nopa from this time. From this angle of the world, no para je wenga ashawa ha karechana and wojureju para dashi ngobo.